Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mark a task as an approval in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into a project. Then we have to go into a task that we want to change. Then here we have to tap on the three little dots in the top right corner, and then we tap on mark as approval. Now the thing that is going to change is that we no longer have a check mark at the top, which means that the task is completed. We have a little stamp which we can tap and then set whether the task is approved, changes requested, or rejected. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.